I am going to LA tomorrow. It is currently 9:40 p.m. and I'm flying at 1 p.m. and I've decided I'm going to pull an all-nighter, and I also waited until the last minute to pack. So I've just been spending some time packing, and I thought it'd be fun to show you some of the pieces that I'm bringing. This video is sponsored by my management muse as well as Luxe. I'm gonna show you some Luxe pieces that I'm bringing along on my trip. I'm gonna be wearing in LA, and then also I'm gonna have one Coachella outfit. I don't have my Coachella outfit fully ready yet, but I'll show you some of the pieces that I'm considering wearing. Yeah, I've decided to do this like so last minute, and I don't know why. And like I said, I'm gonna try to pull an all-nighter. I still need to do my nails. I'm gonna show you the pieces. It's in no particular order. I'm literally gonna go through every single piece, talk about how I would style it, and then you'll see either half a styled outfit on the side, or you'll just see kind of like the clothing piece itself. If you do want to see like the full outfits, make sure to follow me on my Instagram, which is right here. I will be posting a bunch of content this upcoming week with Muse and Luxe, and you'll be able to check out like the full styled outfits on there. So first, pants I actually wore earlier today, so they have a bunch of dog hairs on it. Sweats, which are kind of like a wide leg. They're really nice and long. I love how these fit. This is a tank top that I want to wear with the black. I feel like these would be great to wear just to quickly grab like breakfast or something, because I'm guessing it's gonna be not like too crazy hot in the morning. And there's a black tank top that I'm gonna wear with that. I also have this top, which I'm considering maybe wearing to Coachella. I'm not sure if I'm gonna wear it just because it's very booby, and I feel like maybe it's not super safe to wear. Maybe I'll turn it into something else, we'll see. But I'm definitely bringing this because I feel like it could be a cool, colorful piece. I have this black jacket, which I think is going to be nice to wear at nighttime. This is just a basic jacket. I think this is from the Alicia collection. These are the pants to it. So these are kind of like cargo pants. They're a bit more like a fitted look, and it has an elastic in the waist, so they're not like low waist or anything. But that's a really cute set. I'm not going to wear these pants to Coachella, but I feel like the jacket might come in handy. I got these kind of like bleached tie-dye shorts. I think these are going to be nice. Again, just like a breakfast run, kind of like comfy. And then I would style it with this bralette sports bra. I have this cute little set that I might wear to dinner one night. I'm not sure. I also recently wore this on my Instagram. So it's this like beigey stone skirt with a little ruching. It has like a cutout in the front. Very cute. I have this cute little set, which I'm also probably just gonna wear either hiking or on like a breakfast run. It's one of the movement set. This one's in a really nice green color. Comes with a sports bra. I love this color, these blue sweat shorts. Definitely wearing this when I land. I've already decided that, and I need to put this to the side because I need to actually wear that with this white tank top. I'm wearing like a full-on sweatsuit while traveling because it's probably going to be cold on a plane and stuff, but then once I land I really need to change, so I'm gonna wear this. I have this gray oversized hoodie. I got it in a large. I'm just bringing this because this goes with anything. If it gets cold at night, I can wear this. If it's cold in the morning, who doesn't want a gray zip up? And this one's really nice. It's actually a very like heavy and nice material, so I would recommend checking this one out. I'm keeping the cargos for the end because they're like my favorite ever, and I don't know. This is the same top as the brown one, but it's in black. It has a little cutout, so I'm definitely bringing this as well. I don't think I'm gonna bring these. These are like faux leather pants. They are really cute. I just don't think I'm gonna want to wear this when it's hot. It is a very nice option for dinner. I have 3 cargo pants to show you. These are all the same ones. I think I took out the strings at the bottom of these. They all have strings. So these are the basic black ones. As of right now, I think I'm gonna wear these to Coachella. I'm waiting to receive a couple other pieces from Luxe and then also some Muse merch, so I might wear some of that. But I'm thinking of wearing these cargos just because the fit is just so nice. They're like kind of low waist. They are kind of oversized. I also have them in green, this like army green color. This could also be cute, and then wearing maybe, I don't know. Gonna bring all 3 of them because I feel like one of them will work. So I have it in this army green color. I get all of mine in a UK 6, so you don't have to size up. Just get your regular sizing because they're huge. And lastly, I have this like stone color which I think I'm gonna wear one of the days in LA. I don't think I'm gonna wear this to Coachella, but I might change my mind on that. Who knows? Yeah, I'm like so excited. Obviously, I'm gonna be filming my trip with Muse and Luxe to Kill. It's probably gonna be the next video on my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in my suitcase now. I actually booked extra luggage because I knew I wanted to bring a lot, and I was like, let me be extra. These are the pieces I'm bringing from Luxe to Kill. I will have a link to everything down below. And I also have a discount code, which is Lisa010, and I believe that gets you 10% off. So you can shop there, shop for any festivals you're going to. This will be posted before Coachella weekend too, so if you are going and you need some last minute stuff, go check them out. My mom just went to bed. She's obviously gonna be here for the next 8 days, but she just went to bed. It is 12:17. This is how my nails turned out. They're cute from far. And this hand always turns out better because I use my dominant hand. These little French lines were really hard to do, and I regretted it once I started it, but it is what it is. The orange was honestly really cute, but one nail broke off, and I feel like it's not gonna match all my outfits. I have a lot of time to waste, and I need to stay up. It's a weird thought that I'm going to LA again, because I feel like, especially I think the Coachella part, because when I was like 18, that was like my dream. I was literally dreaming of getting invited to come to Coachella with a brand or with just anyone, and I'm honestly really excited to see LA in a different way that I saw it 4 years ago, because if you watch my videos 4 years ago, you would know I wanted to like move there. I was like very much convinced that I was gonna live there, but obviously I realized that's not where I wanted to live. But I'm really excited to go back. Muse has planned like such a fun trip, and we have such fun activities that we're going to be doing. So obviously if you want to come along, make sure to check out my vlog, which is going to be up sometime next week. And in the vlog you will also probably meet more of the Muse team, some of the girls that are also coming along, and yeah, I'm just gonna take you along my trip. So I know this was like a very random video, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to check out Luxe to Kill in the link below, and I'll see you in my next video.